Good evening. It's 6 o'clock. I'm Dustin in for Scott.
And I'm Anne Marie. Thanks for joining us tonight. Big names are joining Governor Braun's campaign to make Indiana healthy again,
Including Robert F. Kennedy Jr., the U.S. Health and Human Services Secretary.
During the event today, the topic of vaccines came up. So too did the number of measles cases all across the country and here in Indiana. Our 13 News State House reporter Emily Longnecker brings us that part of the story.
Well, Secretary Kennedy said families can't rely solely on vaccines to prevent measles because the effectiveness of vaccines wanes over time. He also said it's important for doctors to know how to treat measles. His comments come at a time when the U.S. has seen more measles outbreaks across the country so far this year, with the CDC reporting 712 cases across 25 states. 6 of those cases here in Indiana are in Allen County. According to the CDC, 2 children with measles have died in Texas. Both were unvaccinated. Last year, there were 285 cases of measles in the United States. During his confirmation hearing, Secretary Kennedy came under fire for past comments where he said there needs to be more studies of vaccines to see if there's a link with autism in children. Broad scientific consensus is that there is no connection between the MMR vaccine and autism. Today, Kennedy reiterated plans to study vaccines to see if there's a connection.
We're going to get the data sets from everybody we can. We're going to do data sharing agreements with scientists all over the world, with the best scientists, and we're going to find out what contribution vaccines and everything else, mold, EMF, food, all of these other exposures began in the late 1980s. Which one of those are the culprits? I suspect we're going to see that there's a lot of culprits, but we need to know.
Dozens of people familiar with Secretary Kennedy's questions about vaccines protested outside today's event.
I don't understand what he thinks he's going to find by September that other people have not discovered. Vaccines do not cause autism. Vaccines save lives.
I'm 57 years old, and I don't remember a measles outbreak in America prior to the current one. So from my perspective, and I'm a parent who had his kids vaccinated, vaccines work and are safe.
Kennedy also said that healthy children should not die from measles, and if doctors know how to treat measles, that won't happen. At the Indiana State House, Emily Longnecker, 13 News.